I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the raster. Choose a clean PNG or JPG and include a measurable reference line so you can scale accurately. Once ready, use Insert or Attach Image from the ribbon, pick an insertion point, and set rotation to align roughly with your drawing axis. Do this now so you don't chase alignment errors later. Make sure the image resolution fits. Too large will slow CAD software, while too small loses detail, so balance clarity and performance. Once the image is in, scale and align it precisely. Use the Align command or a reference scale operation, snapping to two known points or edges in your drawing so the image matches real dimensions. If your CAD supports it, set the image layer to non-plot while adjusting. This avoids exporting artifacts. You may need to crop or clip the raster to focus on the area of interest. Keep an eye on insertion, units so 1 unit in the image equals 1 unit in your model. To finish, decide whether to embed the image for a self-contained file or link it to keep file size small. Embed when sharing. Trace key features with polylines or convert to vectors for precise drafting, and adjust brightness or contrast to improve visibility. If something goes wrong, first verify units and insertion scale, then check layer visibility and whether the linked file path is broken. If alignment shifts, rerun align using fresh known points and relock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.